welcome to my channel. I got 2 items for Christmas today. Let's start unboxing. Look at the holiday wrapping, it's so cute. Okay, let's start the first one. Sorry, excuse the noise in the background. The first item I got is in this black dust bag. Ta-da! Like this color. This is the old case. So let's open it. Oops. I guess it got stuck on the tissue paper. So this is the 20C series. Silver hardware. Okay, let's show you the next item. Can you guess what it is? The holiday wrapping. Okay, let's open it. Okay, I see some cards. Dust bag. So you see the colors will change. Ta-da! Silver hardware matches the old case I got. So you guys all know how the walk look like. This is the chain. So this is my Christmas gift for this year. Okay, show you the other one. So thank you for watching. Bye.